What is going on, guys? Gorgeous day in Niagara, Ontario. Just out doing my morning lot walk, checking the inventory, checking everything out around the lot, seeing what's new, things like that. But I wanted to talk to you guys real quick and do this kind of impromptu video because I've received a lot of messages and a lot of DMs over the past couple months from the videos I've been posting about what it's like being a car salesman. Yes, I do car reviews, but I also post a lot of videos about car sales training and what my experiences are like being a car salesman and what others need to do to become a successful car salesman like myself. And I'm not someone special here, guys. I started in this business a long time ago when I had no sales experience, no car experience. I didn't know what a Cadillac converter was. I didn't know what a radiator was. I didn't know all these things about cars. And I was able to learn along the road and grow into a successful car sales and use it as a career to achieve my financial goals. So this is what I want for you guys, and all you guys who message me, ask me for tips. Hey, how can I get started? How can I build my sales funnel? How can I build my portfolio? How can I sell more cars? Anybody ask their tips, I greatly appreciate that. So I put all my tips together in a free webinar for you guys, and it's called My Do's and Don'ts of Car Sales. I put it together in a free masterclass, which you can get in the description below. All you got to do is click and register for the webinar, and it will be directly sent to you. So click the link and you can learn from my mistakes. I wanted to share my experiences so that you guys can learn from my mistakes and identify the mistakes before you make them. I'm not here to promise you guys like, hey, you guys are gonna grow from 20 sales a month to 50 sales a month. I'm not that type of guy. I don't have that high energy. I want you guys just to grow maybe 3-4 sales a month. And that's what's gonna happen. If you can consistently grow each month, you're going to eventually get to where you wanna be. So that would be my goal. If I can get you one extra sale every month, hey, you're laughing. 2, 3, 5, even better. That's our goal. So thank you to everybody who supported along the way. We're still going to be doing obviously car reviews, but stay tuned because we're going to be posting more car sales training videos coming up. We're going to have videos like how to nail a job interview at a car dealership, how to become successful, how to seek out your first job, and if I was starting over as a car salesman, what I would do differently, things like that. We're all coming along the pipeline on my channel. Check those out, but definitely check out the free webinar in the description below. And all you guys who've supported me along the way, you know who you are. My Kevin Manets, my Stephen A's, Raymond Carter, all you guys. YouTube channel with no name, I still don't know who you are, but thank you so much for supporting me. And we look forward for you guys. You can tell I'm so passionate about this, guys. I want people to learn and from my story, and I want other salespeople to be able to grow and become successful in this industry, in this business, and use my innovative kind of selling features, use social media to add value to their customers. So check out the webinar if you guys are a car sales associate. Everybody else, thank you so much for the support, and we'll see you on the internet.